So this is being recorded into cloud, right?
Oh, yes.
I don't know. It's you that you can tell right now. So
Yeah,
because
it's recording
okay.
to cloud. That's what.
Okay. If it's record to cloud, I'll be able to get it.
Okay. Where's the script? Okay. So I'm just gonna follow this to close all this. Close. Close. Close.
Did you guys know that Chat GTP is charging $20 per month now?
Yeah, if you want to upgrade.
Yeah, but I asked some of question and it won't give me answer. He want me to update before he can give me the answer.
For you?
Where
did that happen?
I'm trying that yesterday.
I still used it today without upgrading.
Yeah, you can ask some of question, but if it is tough question, it's not gonna give you the answer.
Oh yeah, they're trying to monetize it. Okay, so let me see. So we're going to create 2 buckets quickly. So what I noticed is
so sorry, are we starting from the beginning or we're just continuing from where it stopped at?
Yeah, starting from the beginning.
Can we be able to meet up time? Okay.
Yeah, we'll meet up under 30 minutes. We should be able to get through, if not because of time. We will get through under 30 minutes. It's not something that is we can manage time.
And one thing I want to ask is are they going to take money? Is Mr. Roboto will be able to provide money?
Jehovah, I have an S3 bucket here. What's this? Luxury COVID testing. Hi, Gladly. Since September.
Oh my
I've done this too. I remember this program. Migration, right?
I can't even remember what this is.
Migration is this luxury hotel and stuff. It's been long since last year. I did it too. Migration.
Yeah, that's how I'm like, what is it? Well, it's like there's nothing in it. So I guess that's the reason why they are not charging.
Yeah, if it is not connecting to anything and not using the space.
Yeah, I said no object.
COVID test. I don't even want to hear about COVID anymore.
Or permanently do it.
I can remember very well during the 2021, I want to go home and I have to do the COVID test before I can go. And I get to
the found in this. Yeah, I'm listening to you.
And I get to the airport and they said that the hour just passed 2 hours that you do your COVID test.
Check the object, sir. Yes. Is there any object?
No object here.
There's no object. Okay, so no, let's go back. Click on the luxury whatever on the bucket and so delete from here. Let's see. No, delete. Let's see if it's gonna go through.
Okay. So I'm going to create two buckets real quick. I'll call one budo.xyz. This is my domain name. Okay, it's one. Account ownership recommended.
Just scroll. Just enable only bucket versioning and just create. Just as that.
Yeah.
Just for the project.
Okay. And
another one
real quick. This will be www. So
next is to upload content.
Yeah, I will upload content into. Am I doing? So what's this? Username, yeah, it's okay. So I'm to upload content into the one without W according to the
with the one with W.
No, you said hold on. Create two different buckets, the one with W previous and the one without W. The reason we need both is that one of them, the one without W, is going to have all of our content. And the other one, W, is going to be basically for redirect. So it's the one without W.
No, the one with W, that's the type. I made a mistake there.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Because you even say go to this, that's the root bucket, and upload the content.
Yes,
so it's the one without W.
It's a mistake. I think I sent the wrong one. But just upload content to the one with www.
Okay.
Yes. I'm going to send the new one. I think I made a mistake with that. Let me quickly send to you. There are two versions that I made, so that was a mistake on my part. Copy. Space.
So this I have that no permission needs to be set. Oh, I need to grant them. No, not here. Oh, okay, I think.
Yes.
That's all.
Yes, we also need, just create. Then we have to change the name to index.html.
Okay. So I'll go to.
Click on it.
Oh, what am I doing? Is it under permission? I think it's under property.
It's under, no, it's under object action here.
Oh, okay.
On the right-hand side. Rename objects.
Okay, then what's the next thing to do? Share.
Paste policy manual to bucket.
What about the enabling the public setting?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So I'll click on the bucket, go to this one and check permission. All right.
Okay, so check your email for the updated one, sir. So that will
Okay.
take us straight. Yes.
Okay. It's still the same thing.
The same thing?
Yeah, it's the one without www that will have our document.
No. There will be mistake with that. Just go ahead with the one www, sir.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So I'll go back to the bucket and go to the one with the www and permission and block all access.
Edit. Edit, sir. Click on edit, yes. And uncheck the block. Yes. Then save changes, confirm. The one I sent to you is the updated version.
Is the updated version?
Yes, it's just confusing because it is written in the same format.
Yeah, this one.
Yes. If you check the bucket, the JSON script, you will see www.so. That tells us that it is the updated version. Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to copy this policy. Pocket policy. Okay, so I'm going to go to the pocket policy real quick. Edit, paste. This one, I'll change this to okay. And okay, that's good. So change this. Okay, so now go to the object, click on index, check for the URL below, click on the address.
So
Okay,
let's go back to the one of www, the one that is hosting our content.
Okay.
Yes.
This.
Yes. Click on it and click on properties. No, come back, sir.
Okay. Properties.
Yes, scroll down below to static website hosting.
Okay.
Yes, edit. Edit, yes, then enable.
So this one is the one hosting the static website.
Exactly, yes.
So index name is
HTML. So
error, I don't have the error.
yes.
And that's okay. So next is so we have done this. So go to the bucket and
did you? Oh yes. So we have to go back to the other one without. That's number. That's G. Go back to the bucket and click.
okay. The HTTP.
Yes.
Your protocol HTTP. Okay. The host name, enter the host name to do this. Okay, okay. Let me see the host name. The host name is www. My fear is, since I didn't buy my domain name from AWS, let's see how that will go. Okay, this is done. So the next thing, the H is, let's make some modification to R53. This is where our domain registration is set. Okay. Okay. All right. Oh, this is my S. No, that's Route 53. So click on dashboard, click on hosted zone, click on domain name. Ah, okay, let me see something with my. Now I need to create a hosted zone. So, since I didn't buy mine from, let me see. I think in your own case, this place is already done for you since you bought yours from.
Domain. I think
Yeah, that
I actually typed it there.
Okay, let's see.
Yes.
Public hosted zone and create zone. Yeah, that's it.
Oh wow, successful.
Okay.
And we have to create another one for the one without prefix.
The one
No, you
without
already created the one with prefix. Now he has to create one with prefix now. I guess he was supposed to create Abby. Is that right?
Yeah, the one with you're supposed to create the one with
prefix first.
No. Wait.
Which one?
This is just the hosted zone. I've not created according to your this thing. I'm to click on
as
the
soon as you buy
zone.
the domain from Amazon, your zone will be created.
Yes,
So,
that's what I just did. Since I didn't buy my phone, so now I
you
need
have to go to the domain.
Yeah, and click on the domain name. You should have two records by default. Okay, these are the two records, NS and this one that I have. If we go there, I have NS and SOE. Okay, so you now said you will need also to create 2 different records. So now I need to create records. So that's the record I'm going to do now. So now I'll create a record. But okay, I'm going to create a record now. So 2 different records. And record 1 will be
Switch to wizard, sir. Oh, okay.
okay.
Switch to
Switch to
wizard.
wizard. Okay, good.
Yeah. Good.
Okay, simple routing. And next,
Define simple record.
simple record to route you. So this will be
www. That's it.
www, a record, and choose an endpoint. So it should
point
be
to S3 website endpoint. Yes.
yeah, STDF. Okay. Then the region, I'm using US East 1, and that's it, right?
Yeah. Then this evaluate target edge to know. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Then define. Enter. Good.
S3,
Yes.
this one.
Then define simple record. Don't create record yet. So we have to
Okay.
create another one without
So-
prefix.
So I should define another simple record, right?
Yes.
So define another simple record.
We leave it
This one.
blank,
Yeah.
manual. Then we follow the same process. Choose endpoint.
Endpoint. S3 website. Region. This one. Still the same endpoint, right?
Then no, leave it. No.
I should leave this?
Yes. Then
Wow.
define simple record.
Okay, I should leave this as evaluated. Okay. Simple record.
Then create record.
So create these 2 records.
Now, before we proceed, sir, can you browse www.erubodo on the website and see? It's going to show us unsecured connection before we move forward.
www.erubodo.xyz. It's saying not found.
Where is this error coming from?
Hold on.
No, is that the document you uploaded?
No, this is not the document I uploaded. You want me to click on the document I uploaded?
No, I mean, if it doesn't come up, don't worry about it. Let's continue. Yeah. Yeah, if it doesn't come on, let's continue. Don't worry. It doesn't have to come up, but let's continue.
Okay.
Yeah, let's continue, sir. So the next step is to.
So the next step will be
Certificate manager. Hi.
okay. Setting up CloudFront distribution, right?
Yes.
Okay. So let's see here. So over there you said search for something, locate provisions as we get started with. Okay, and domain name. Okay. So I'm gonna start with request. Okay, there's no list. So I'm gonna start with request. And let me see. Request a public certificate. Let's look at permission, get started. Okay. Okay. So request a public certificate. Okay, next. Domain names. That's
www.
okay. DNS validation and request, right?
Yes, sir. Then another one for without prefix.
Request this next. So will be okay.
So let's go to Route 53 and let's search and check if those two entries are actually there with C names.
So we should go to Route 53, right?
Yes.
I'm thinking I need to do something with the name server as well. Okay, let me go slowly. So for Route 53, let me open the laptop. Route 53.
Hosted zone. And click on domain name. So let's see if you find those two records that, oh, good. With two different, okay. Where is it pointed to? S3 website endpoint, both of them, the one with AA. That's an additional one. Those are the additional ones that we created, the certificate pointing to S3. You remember, sir?
Yes.
Yeah, this A and the one with WW at the bottom and the one, yes. So let's go back to certificate manager and refresh.
They are issued already.
Oh, they are issued. It's supposed, they're supposed to be like something like suspects anyways.
The
Okay, let
status
me
keeps
see.
still pending
Status is still
also.
pending anyway.
Refresh.
Yeah, it's still pending.
Okay, if that is the case, let's go to CloudFront then and continue with what we're doing and set up our regional distribution. You can read the manuals so that that's on J.
Well, what can be the issue for that one that is keep us giving us that pending? Is something wrong or what?
Honestly, I've not experienced that. I've practiced this more than 3 times. and I was able to deploy successfully. So I don't know what is, or maybe their service. I mean, their network. Can I say network? I don't think so. Abi, I don't know. So we can go to CloudFront and start and set up our
patch.
It's under J. Yes.
So that's what your original distribution is going to do to set up catch and enable us to use HTTPS. Okay. Okay, original domain. Okay.
So if you can see this, I said original domain name, right? So this HTTP it won't give us that by default. So what we need to do is to go back to S3 bucket, click on the bucket that has our content, click on properties, scroll all the way down to the bottom to the static website hosting and copy the link. Then we can paste as domain name.
Okay.
Yes.
With cloud distribution. So this origin domain.
Yes. Is the one that you copied. No, the one you copied. Just paste, sir.
Okay.
Yes, this is the one. This is it.
So the origin part is optional.
It's optional.
The name, enter a name.
Leave
Can I?
it.
Okay.
No, scroll down, sir. Scroll down. Scroll. Then you see that redirect.
This one.
Oh yes. So I think we have to change to HTTP. Choose redirect HTTP to HTTPS.
To HTTPS. Okay.
Yes. Then scroll down. We'll see something like domain, hard domain, whatever. Okay, there's something. No, scroll up, sir. Yeah, hold on. Yes, add item.
Add the custom domain name that you use.
That would be your www dot something. www.erobodo. Yes. Then custom SL certificate. That's where I was stuck then. So let's see if it's gonna drop. Wow. So if that didn't refresh and signifies Sussex, so which means it's a general issue with AWS this evening. It doesn't take up to 2 minutes.
Let's see.
Successfully requested a certificate. Then what?
Hold on. Let me create a record in
Pending validation. It's supposed to show
But-
success.
Okay.
It won't create until we are through with the pending ones. Honestly, I've never experienced this. I've done this 3 times successfully.
Like even if I click create record, it won't create.
Yes, until the pending validation.
Is domain in Route 53.
Let me see.
Greetings.
So this is what I think the issues is from AWS this evening. This I did it today as well, and there was nothing wrong with the process. So every process we have followed is correct, and every detail, it is detailed in the manual, one after the other.
Mm. Okay.
Access denied.
It's because my my VPN has kicked in. I started working. because my this thing kind of, yeah, is turned on my secure VPN. So it's only connect when I'm not on VPN. So if I turn it off now, I'm not sure if I will still be connected to this Zoom. Let me see. It can be really fast. Yeah, I'm still connected. Okay.
Okay, so I'm trying to read something here. Someone is saying delete and recreate.
Delete and recreate.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm just trying to browse around and see
Oh, okay.
I'm seeing something on Stack Overflow. I've requested a public ACM certificate and I've selected the DNS validation method. After requesting the certificate, it went to pending validation state. I have created a hosted zone in Route 53 with the same domain name which I've used for my certificate. We are facing the same thing just as this person. And after creating the certificate, I got the option create record in Route 53. I have created the record in Route 53 with the C name and it's displayed as Sussex. This even displayed, but ours, there's nothing like that. So what is the solution here? Okay, expand the certificate that is pending. Expand the table that has domain and validation status. Click on the button that says create record in Route 53. You can do this manually.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes when you think something is little, this is important of this gathering. So it's gonna trick you sometimes. And I think if we don't get it now, we can just go and work on it.
Yeah, I'm thinking, can it be maybe the server or AWS server tonight or something?
It might be.
This is the second prop. You are the second person having the same challenge. So I guess we should just wait till tomorrow instead of we repeating and don't mess what we have done up. At least all the steps we have followed, hopefully it will still remain.
Yeah.
I'm guessing it's probably from AWS.
I think something is going on.
We I'm very, very confident. Every steps in the manual, I did one after the other, and I've used the manual more than 2 times, up to 3 times, and there was nothing wrong. So I'm surprised why this is coming up. I'm just surprised. So maybe anyone with laptop or whatever should just create what is it called, this certificate, and see if that's gonna go through.
I will do it on my ends tomorrow after work. Or it's already 11 and I have like 4 hours to sleep, which is compulsory on my end. I don't know.
Yeah,
So
that's
you
fine.
guys attend. you guys are 10 o'clock, so I'm already 11 o'clock now. So
yeah, it's 11 o'clock here too. 11. I think Mr. Yomi too. I think Mr. Yomi should be in 11 o'clock too. We
Mhm.
on the eastern
Yeah.
part. The east, we are on it's 11 here.
Yeah.
so we can go and work on it, and I will do the same thing after work tomorrow. So we see.
Okay, we'll see what happens. That makes
Yes.
sense.
I'm sure it is from AWS. You see what the wrote here with what Mr. Roboto is trying to check.
Yeah,
here.
the things that Mr. Roboto is trying to figure out. Can you pause the recording, Mr. Roboto?
Oh yeah, sure.
The things that Mr. Roboto is trying to figure out right now is where he buy his domain. He's trying to figure out maybe that's the reason why he's not.
No, I don't think